Hello crafty friends, it's Donna here from Donna is Playing Paper, and I've got a set of cards for you today that use the B side of papers. What's the B side, you might ask? I've got a few different paper pads here to show you. Most paper pads will have one side of each sheet with a very strong image or cut aparts or images that you can fussy cut, and the back is usually plainer and often has just a single colour or a much more muted pattern or tone. And often we buy pads because we fall in love with the A sides, but the B sides are really great as backgrounds for different things. So today I've got a selection of cards that show different ways that you can use B sides to make some quick and easy Christmas cards. The first cards use the Merry and Bright die, which is a real favourite of mine, and I've cut that from the middle of a piece of paper so that I can use the border of the paper as one of my layers. The blue paper comes from the Winter Backgrounds paper pack, and the second paper with the leaves on it comes from a paper pack called Winter Gathering. I've gone with silver for one of the cards and gold for the other. And the fact that this die has a beautiful big background piece means that the sentiment is able to stand out against even a fairly bright or busy background. For the second pair of cards, I've used a piece of paper from the Oh So Sweet Christmas pack, and the B side on this paper has a little bit of a wreath at the bottom. I've used the Merry Christmas Everyone die, and I've also saved the outline to use as my template for putting the letters in, just like doing a jigsaw. You'll see at this point I was really battling with the sun coming in and out. Please excuse the shadows across the screen. I've done my best to edit them out. I mixed and matched the gold and red, and I've made same but opposite cards with this design. One with Merry and Everyone in red and Christmas in gold, and the other one reversed. In fact, I've shown you footage of making one, but the photographs are of the other. I've used the same red paper that I used for the sentiment to make my backgrounds, and I've just added a couple of little jewels at the end. The next die is called Merry Peekaboo, and Paper Rose does a lot of these dies with words and with designs that leave a strip behind, and they're a great way for showcasing different papers. I've cut the Merry and used a little bit of paper in the background that comes from the Holy Night paper pad to put underneath. I've then gone to the Crisp Christmas Sentiments pack and chosen the word Christmas and cut it off from a sentiment to add to this card. So there you have it. 3 super simple, super quick ways to use the B sides of your papers to get a lot of Christmas cards made really quickly, which I know is important to people who send a lot of cards.